Slash commands are a way for users to interact with your chat app's features. For instance, if a user types /help, you could present them with a list of all the possible slash commands and the description of what each command does. In the Google Cloud Console, where you configure the Google Chat API, you can define your app's slash commands. For every slash command, you define a name, a unique identifier, and a description of the command. You can also define if the slash command should open up a dialog. When the user invokes your app by slash command, an additional field is attached to the message sent from Google Chat to your app. As you can see on screen, this field indicates that the user selected a slash command, the slash command's ID, and an annotation. The command ID that your app will receive corresponds to the command ID that you specify for that command in your app's configuration. This allows your app to handle slash command cases explicitly with limited argument parsing. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our upcoming Google Workspace development or AppSheet videos.